Chinky finds the best game. Come here, little ones. Tonight, I will tell you a story. Once upon a time, there was a tiny little squirrel. Chinky Squirrel. Chinky loved to sit high up on a tree branch. In her tiny paws, she held a shiny and a glowing acorn smartphone. Chinky played and giggled.
Just one more level, and I'll be the
champion. Suddenly, her game froze.
Oh no, the battery is gone.
Chinky panicked and
Oh
cried
no, my
out.
nuts! My points!
She peeked down, and what did she see? A world full of wonders. The fox was playing hide and seek with her little cubs. The rabbit was riding his tiny, colorful bicycle. The ducklings were splashing in the river and laughing. And I was sitting here telling stories to my cubs. Chinky thought and put her phone aside with a smile.
Wow, their games are way more fun than my screen.
And happily jumped down from the tree to play with her friends. From that day on, Chinky discovered something amazing. The best games are not inside a phone. They're the ones you play with your friends. Stay tuned for more fun jungle stories.
Follow Learner's Grove, a home for minds to bloom.